Hi, I am Karen from Karen Clark Creations, an artsy introvert. In this video, I'll be working on Friends Season 2, Episode 9, the one with Phoebe's dad. I decided to use the conversation between Rachel and Trigger, the super, for this painting. Rachel and Monica are having a Christmas party, and Trigger comes, and when he sees the mistletoe hanging from the ceiling, he says, "So, is that mistletoe?" Rachel says, "No, that is Basil." And he says, "If it was mistletoe, I was gonna kiss ya." And Rachel laughs and replies, "Yeah, no, it's still Basil," and then walks away, which is a little mean, but not really, because, why would he assume? Why would he assume that Rachel wanted to be kissed? It's just kind of yucky. So with this one, I decided to go the more real versus fake route of mistletoe. I had looked at some pictures online, and the fake ones, they look kind of like balls of leaves, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do something a little more real. So I found some pictures, and I really liked how it was like the branches. I didn't want it to be a clump of green at the top. I wanted it to be light and airy. So I think I got that. On the leaves, I decided to go the wet and wet route. So I would put the green in and then drop a little bit of yellow in at the top where it connects to the stem. And then I used my credit card scraper to put in veins of the leaves. And I think it turned out so lovely. It's a shame that I didn't come across this episode at Christmas time when I was in the mood to paint mistletoe, but that's what happens with this challenge. It doesn't really coincide with the rest of the year, so it's okay. It's great. I think it turned out well, and it was fun to paint. I do think I have decided to switch up the way I'm painting these pages. I have been doing one painting per session and one painting per video, and I think I'm going to change it and do 3 per session and 3 per video. So I'm probably going to be putting these out a lot less, maybe 1 a month or 1 every 3 weeks, so that I have time to paint it and edit the video. But I want the pages to look really cohesive and more planned out than just figuring it out along the way. I would like to plan it a little bit more, so we will see how that goes. I am now adding in the red ribbon, and I kind of wanted the ribbon to look a little shiny, so I'm going to put the color in, and then I'm going to pull it back out slightly. It is a very small ribbon, but I definitely think it adds a little something extra to it. So see, when I pull that paint out, it makes it look a little shiny up there, and I really like that little touch. I'm going to do that also on the little ribbons hanging down, but it's not as noticeable as the top was. Then I mixed up a light color for the actual little berries. The mistletoe berries are white, so I wasn't really sure if I wanted more of a blue or more of a yellow shadow to them, and I did decide to make them look a little more creamy and yellowy, off-white. And now I'm going to write in the quote, the conversation between Rachel and Trigger that inspired this painting of mistletoe. I still love that little blowfish on the other page. Oh my gosh, it's been watching us the entire time. So cute. So here is the spread of these 2 pages. I really love it. I kind of think I wouldn't mind having more of a background on the page on the right, but I'm not going to change it. It's good the way it is. I'm going to keep that in mind though for future pages. So that's it. This was Season 2, Episode 9. Let me know in the comments what you think about this episode of Friends and my painting. Give me a like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications of newly uploaded videos because the next episode will be out soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.